only newsworthy because a celebrity talked about it. It's not newsworthy because of what it is, because there's so many instances like that horse and carriage. I guarantee you, just look up animal cruelty on TikTok or Instagram.
Right.
Look
That's
up
not
the
the first horse that
there's
died on the
horrendous,
street.
there's horrendous things happening to animals every single day
Yeah.
all over the world,
Yeah.
and it's never newsworthy. And that's the thing, is everybody's so outraged about the horses in
horse in New
endless
York
City.
City and dogs.
And the thing is
and
that
it's
video,
speciesism.
Yep.
Exactly.
Because people love horses like they love dogs.